Mr. Atul Kumar Pandey, Student General Secretary, to present the report on students' activities and accomplishments.
Dear all, as I stand before you today, wrapping up what has been an incredible journey, I feel immense pride in presenting a glimpse of the effort and the initiative that marked our tenure. This past year was driven by one collective goal: to build a more connected, supportive, and vibrant student community. Here's on the work done across various verticals under Wellness, Student Development, and Institute Affairs. Our journey began with Team Sathi's warm welcome to the newest member of the Institute, the freshers, through a 4-day immersion program. Events like Menti Fusion and Spotify were curated to help them bond, explore, and ease into campus life with joy and energy. To foster emotion and creative well-being, Team Sathi hosted a range of therapy workshop series, including art therapy, dance therapy, music therapy, and more. These were designed to help students find joy, healing through expression. Launched community-focused initiatives like Lingua Link, Hobby Buddy, and Quiz Crusher to help student peers who share their language, hobbies, or academic interests. These have helped spark meaningful connections in the student community. One of the most heartwarming events this year was Bachpan Mela, a celebration of childhood that reminded us a simpler time and helped students kickstart the semester with a renewed sense of joy. Our new initiative, Explore IITM, brought together institute team students to offer a window to the rich culture of innovation and collaboration we foster here. We established a women's cell under Team Sathi to work closely with the female student community on resolving issues and fostering empowerment. The EML reached new heights this year. We had honor of hosting some of the most eminent personalities across diverse fields, leaders who inspired us with their journey and wisdom. The team upheld values of efficiency, impact, and motivation, and redefined what it meant to learn beyond the classrooms. Our flagship event, Vakotsav, a festival of speech, was a true celebration of storytelling, ideas, and leadership. It reflected the hard work and creativity of the team in curating the bouquet of engaging sessions to the campus. The team Pragati took significant steps forwarded by cultivating focused community for students, aspiring to crack the examinations like UPSC and CAT. With over 2,000 aspirants now connected, this initiative had laid the foundation for peer learning, mentorship, and preparation support on campus like never before. Through IVL's village visit, Sheville, students got first-hand insight into the rural India, its challenges, stories, and resilience. These visits were eye-opening and helped build a deeper understanding of the world beyond our campus gates. With the launch of Nivarak, a new portal featuring a buy and sell platform to ease student transactions. Alongside this, we also developed an Insti chatbot to simplify and speed up the student query redressal across the institute channels. This year marked a significant milestone for the entrepreneurship cell of the IIT Madras, where we hosted the 10th edition of the E-Summit, celebrating a decade of entrepreneurial spirit at the IIT Madras. We kicked things off with Pitch Fest, where budding entrepreneurs pitched their ideas to leading investors. E-Summit brought together students and top 70 incubators, offering a unique networking experience for future founders. Events like e-auction challenge participants to think like strategic investors, while the Campus Innovation Challenge tackled pressing campus problems with innovative solutions. The entrepreneurial wave continued with 120 plus pre-incubated startups registered under Nirman this year, a record that reflects the ambition, the talent, and the drive of student of community. Our tech team quenched third in Quant, second in Thermal, and third in Astro Cup in the 13th Inter-IIT Tech Meet this year, a testament to the technical excellence and collaborative spirit nurtured at IIT Madras. We hosted a vibrant institute open house this year, attracting more than 30,000 innovators, researchers, students, and enthusiasts from across the country. The event served as a grand showcase of the cutting-edge research, innovation, and tech culture that thrives within the campus. CFI continues to be the creative powerhouse of IIT Madras once again, empowering 30-plus tech club and student teams through infrastructure, mentorship, and funding, serving as the launchpad for the India's next wave of student-driven innovation. Raftar, the Formula One team of IIT Madras, secured the second place overall at the Formula Bharat 2024, sweeping top awards in static, cost and manufacturing, engineering design, and winning both the Best Battery Pack and MathWorks Simulation Challenge awards. Abhiyan, the autonomous car building team, emerged first in the design challenge, second as the overall internationally at IGVC, and published an ML-based paper on lane detection. Abhyuday, the rocket propulsion team, clinched first rank in Asia, 11th globally at the Spaceport America Cup 2024, also earning the On-Spot Recognition Award. Agrirath, our solar race car building team, was the only Indian team at the Bridgestone World Solar Challenge, filing 2 patents and building their own solar array, hull and roof entirely in-house. Anveshak achieved 6th in the Anatolian Rover Challenge, 4th in ISRO's Challenge, 8th in International Rover Challenge, while conquering the Autonomous Master Challenge 2023. Avishkar Hyperloop ranked top 5 in Europe, top 2 in full-scale technical design, and constructed a 422-meter vacuum tube, 46% cheaper than the conventional design, while sweeping multiple global subsystem awards. Amog, the new competition gem added this year, secured the 9th place in the Speedgate Passing Challenge held at Singapore Autonomous Underwater Vehicle Competition. Horizon dominated with multiple national and international wins, including selection for Team India at IPT 2025. Breakthrough in the astrophysics, simulations, satellite comms, and solar flare predictions. WebOps and Blockchain Club achieved a national record with a blockchain-based voting system, partnered with Tamil Nadu government, and developed multi-purpose app like InstiSpace, Clinsti for the campus use. Our athletes have continued to make us proud once again this year. For the second consecutive year, the women's team emerged as the overall Women's Cup champions, and we finished as overall runner-up, narrowly missing the championship title this year and proving ourselves as the tough contender and defender for the cup, but leaving behind a trail of unmatched spirit and performance for the team. This year, we also welcome 5 new students through the sports quota, all of whom delivered outstanding performances and significantly contributed to IIT Madras team's success. Looking ahead, we are thrilled to share the IIT Madras will host Inter-IIT Sports General Championship in the upcoming year 2025-26 session, a moment of great pride and responsibility for all of us. This year, we inaugurated the Career Pathway Center, CPC, under the guidance of our Director, Dean of Student and Advisor. The CPC became launchpad for transformative initiative in the career preparation for the students here. From mock interviews to group discussion session and to one-on-one mentoring, students were better equipped than ever to tackle the recruitment process this year. The results, of course, a record-breaking number of Day 1 placements, of Day 1 internships, a remarkable achievement that reflects both the talent of our students and the structured support they receive. We launched the InstiTalk series, a platform designed to spark transparent and constructive dialogue between the student community and institute leadership. The initiative aims to address challenges, share visions, and foster mutual understanding. In our inaugural session, we had the honor of hosting our Director, Professor V. Kamakoti sir, who engaged directly with the students, answering their thought-provoking questions with remarkable openness and insights. IIT Madras Cultural Contingent made a resounding mark at Inter-IIT Cultural 7.0, hosted at IIT Patna this year, proudly clinching the Speaking Art Cup, Literary Club, the Quiz Cup, a clean sweep in the competition, celebrating our intellectual and cultural diversity. This year marked as a significant leap for research community as well. We established a dedicated research scholars cell under the Career Pathway Center and introduced the Research Excellence Award to honor the exceptional contribution. The AIRSS, All India Research Scholars Summit 2025, we launched the Eaton Pratibha Excellence Award, recognizing 9 outstanding women scholars with a grant of 1.2 lakh each. The summit featured a visionary address by Shri N. Chandran Babu Naidu and saw a landmark MOU with the University of Southern Queensland for academic collaboration. We concluded with a national job fair connecting research scholars across India with leading industry, a true celebration of innovation and opportunity this year. The Student Ethics and Constitution Commission at IIT Madras organized a voter ID camp in collaboration with Tamil Nadu Election Commission, enabled 400 plus registration, encouraging democratic participation from the campus. Under the umbrella, through Prabha 2025, we spotlighted kangaroo mother care, raising 2.2 lakh via 5-kilometer awareness run with 700 plus participants, partnering with organizations like Ecom Foundation, Fuel a Dream. We fostered real impact. Students also visited Raj Bhavan Fort, St. George, and the Legislative Assembly, gaining first-hand civic and political insights. This year, we introduced Mehkar-e-Mohabbat, a heartfelt initiative to explore and celebrate the soulful galyaris or shairi and Sufi expression. The event was graced by the presence of Qawwali artist Mr. Aftab Qadri, whose performance left the audience mesmerized. We brought the season to a close with a vibrant ethnic day celebrated under the theme Roots and Rhythm. Students came together to showcase their cultural inheritance through dance, music, and their traditional attire. These cultural movements, rich in expression, and the students' participation narrate the story of our diversity, a diversity that does not divide but instead unites us, shaping us a stronger and more connected community at IIT Madras. The past year has truly been a culmination of the hard work, dedication, and relentless spirit of the students at IIT Madras. None of it would have been possible without the invaluable guidance of our director, of our deans, and of course, the unwavering support of the outgoing Executive Council. On behalf of this year's Executive Council, I feel incredibly proud as we hang up our suit today. For all of us, the purpose was always clear: to make an impact, to build a stronger community, and enhance learning experience to everyone involved. There is a real need for students here to step out, to come together, and to break the walls of the hostel rooms. And to not just make memories, but also to live them. This year we took steps in that direction, but there is still so much to achieve. To the new Executive Council, I extend my heartiest congratulations. With high hopes, I urge you to not just follow the path we have curated, but to cut the tangent and aim for an even higher trajectory. That's all the student activity this year. I thank you so much and have a wonderful evening ahead.